Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 5. Allow us to present our presentation about microgenon enema and ultra-proct and suppositories. Our group consists of me, Karimatul Afifa, and my friend Nanda Esa. First is about the microgynon enema. So the drug name here is microgynon enema. It is a rectal enema preparation in liquid form packaged in a single-use tube. And the active ingredients here, there is sodium citrate, in which it draws water into the intestine, having the osmotic effect, sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, in which it acts as a surfactant to soften the stool, and sorbitol, in which it increases water content in feces. So the mechanism of action here, this combination increases osmotic pressure in the rectum, causing water to enter the intestinal lumen, in which then the stools are softened, and then it stimulates the bowel movement or the defecation reflex. And the indication for this drug is it is used for acute constipation, in which bowel evacuation before medical procedures. There are rectal examination, endoscopy, and surgery. Conditions where straining should be avoided. There are for example, post-surgery patients. So the dosage and the directions for use here. For adults, one tube is used when needed. And for children, use only under healthcare professional supervision. There are notes to be taken here. First is not recommended for long-term or a routine use in which it has a risk of laxative dependence, and if constipation persists for more than a week, please do medical evaluation is required. And here is the proper method for administration. First of all, wash hands before and after use. Second, remove the cap from the tube. Third, squeeze a small amount to lubricate the applicator tip. Fourth, position the patient lying on the side or Sims position or squatting. So, gently insert the applicator into the rectum. Next, squeeze the tube until empty and hold it for 5 to 10 minutes if possible. And the last is defecate when the urge appears. So the onset of action here is approximately 5 to 15 minutes. The BUD after opening here, this is classified as a single dosage preparation in which it must be used immediately after opening. Do not store or reuse any remaining content. Discard any leftover product. And there are also special precautions here. So we have to use it cautiously in patients with rectal irritation and severe hemorrhoids. Overuse may cause mucosal irritation or electrolyte imbalance.
The next slide about ultra prop and suppositories. Ultra prop and suppositories is a solid rectal dosage from the melts at body temperature. There is the active ingredient or composition from this medication. The first one there is the flucorcholine. The second one there is the lidocaine. Especially flucorcholine is corticosteroid or anti-inflammatory, and the lidocaine local anesthetic or pain relief. There is the mechanism of action from flucorcholine and lidocaine. The first one, flucorcholine, is reduce inflammation, swelling, and redness, and lidocaine blocks nervous signal and then relieves pain and itching. Now about indication. The indication is there is internal hemorrhage, there is the prosthesis. Prosthesis is inflammation of the rectum. There is the anal fissures as a adjunct therapy. And there is the symptom about this. The first one, there is the pain. itching, and the last is swelling. Dosage and direction for use. Adults is one suppository daily. In severe case, 2 until 3 times daily at the beginning of treatment to reduce dose once symptoms improve. The duration of use 1 until 2 weeks without medical supervision. The proper method of administration. The first one, we must wash hands. So if the suppository is soft, refrigerate briefly and then remove from packaging. So moisten with water if needed. And the five is position in lying on the side. Then the next step is insert the point and into the rectum. And the next is push gently until fully insert. The last remain lying down for a few minutes. And usually the best time used is after bowel movement. How about BUD or beyond use that after opening? The BUD is once the strip is open, like use prom light to minimize contamination and can be used until the expiration date if properly stored and no physically changed, like the example is melting or deformation. And the last list stored in a cool place less than 25 degrees Celsius. And how about the special precaution? The special precaution is like avoid long-term use, like risk of steroid side effect, and there is the mucosal thinning and secondary infection. And the dangerous is do not use in untreated fungal or viral infection, and use wisely in pregnant women or only if prescribed. Before we go to the conclusion, we must show how about the suppositoria medication to apply in pasien.
Cara menggunakan suppositoria. Cuci tangan Anda dengan sabun dan air. Jika suppositoria lembek, masukkan ke dalam kulkas atau letakkan di dalam air dingin selama 30 menit agar mengeras kembali. Buka kemasan suppositoria. Jika sulit membukanya, maka gunakan alat pemotong agar tetap bersih. Anda dapat menggunakan pisau atau silet. Miringkan tubuh Anda dan tarik kaki kanan Anda setinggi perut dan bagian kaki kiri dengan posisi lurus. Angkat pantat dengan tangan kanan agar rektal terbuka. Masukkan suppositoria dengan bagian yang runcing terlebih dahulu, sedalam setengah sampai 1 inci untuk anak-anak dan 1 inci untuk dewasa. Tahan ujung jari Anda yang digunakan untuk memasukkan suppositoria. Kemudian, luruskan kaki Anda dengan posisi berbaring miring selama 5 menit agar suppositoria tidak keluar kembali. Terakhir, cuci tangan Anda menggunakan sabun dan air untuk membersihkan sisa obat yang menempel.
The last slide is about conclusion. Microgynon enema works repeatedly to relieve constipation, throat, and osmotic mechanism. And about ultra pro and suppositories are used for hemorrhoid, providing anti-inflammatory and pain relief effect. Both are administered rexfully but have different therapeutic purpose. The proper use is essential to avoid side effects and ensure effectiveness. Okay, thank you for your attention and enough from our group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.